So sabi natin, ang kailangan nating alamin uli ngayon ay kailan siya deemed sale, kailan siya export sale, at kailan siya government sale. Tandaan, kapag export sale siya, it is considered zero rated. So when we say zero rated, pwede kang mag-claim ng input VAT, pero yung output mo ay 0%. Okay, so kailan siya export sale? When it is a direct export, in short, talagang from Philippines to abroad. We also have here the services performed abroad. These are considered export sale. And then we have another under our law, which is pursuant to your create more. So the sale to an export-oriented enterprise is considered an export sale. So what is an export-oriented enterprise? Pag sinabi nating export-oriented enterprise, ito yung mga enterprises under ecozones, yung mga PEZA, CHEZA, yung mga yon. So those are enterprises within that ecozone. And that enterprise is primarily for export. So when do we say that the enterprise is primarily for export or it is export oriented? If 70% of its sales are considered exported. So kapag doon ka nagbenta, it is considered zero rated. And when we say zero rated, ang tax niya ay 0% sa output VAT.